Good morning, everyone. This is the work of Group 1, and our topic is air resistance and gravity. Our speaker is Ricardo Infante.
Hi, I'm JC, and the topic for today is air resistance and gravity. If you drop a bowling ball and a feather from the same height on the moon, they would both hit the surface at the same time. All objects dropped on Earth are attracted to Earth with the same acceleration. But on Earth, a bowling ball and a feather would not hit the ground at the same time. Air resistance slowed the feather. There is a question here. How does the air resistance affect the dropping time of the feather and the bowling ball? The gravity on Earth is different from the gravity from the moon. Because on Earth, there is a gravity, while on the moon, there is no gravity. The air resistance can slow the feather because it is very light and air can move this feather freely. And the mass of the object can affect the dropping point of the object, because when the air resistance and when a mass is bigger, the gravity itself will pull down the object, and here's the gravity, and here is the air resistance. On Earth, this is how the gravity affects the object. Here, the air resistance can be here because the object is too light and the air can carry the feather, and its mass is lower than the bowling ball.
Hi everyone! Now we are going to have an activity for our topic, air resistance and gravity. And the materials are meter stick, masking tape, papers, and cell phone that will serve as our stopwatch, and that's all.
Cut mo na. Hi everyone. Now we are going to measure 2.5 meters in the wall. We are now going to do our activity.
Go for it, what?
Mimiti lang kami.
Flat paper.
Now, we will drop the flat paper.
Time. 1.40.
Okay. Trabaho mo.
Second. Crumpled paper.
A while ago, we dropped flat paper. Now, we drop loosely crumpled paper. Isa tayo.
And our time is 68 seconds. Ano ba? 68 seconds.
Tightly crumpled paper.
Now, we drop tightly crumpled paper.
And our time is 30.32 seconds.
Magugulo ako? Hindi ko ako.
For the last, this is the design paper. Now, drop the design paper.
Our time is 2.1 seconds.
And for our conclusion, conclude and apply, the flat paper felt slower than the loosely crumpled paper. The tightly crumpled paper was the one that fell faster among the papers. The paper that this time was the slowest one that had fallen. The papers fell in different speeds because they had different surfaces. That's why they fell at different speeds. The time can affect the air resistance by making the force acting on it be balanced.